with it.
Life moves fast, so no matter where you are, Amazon Key has got you covered. With all new in-garage delivery, monitoring, and remote access via the Amazon Key app. You can rest easy knowing that both your packages and your home are safe and secure. Prime members with MyQ-compatible garage door openers can opt into getting Amazon packages delivered right inside their garage. Amazon will authorize the delivery and securely open your garage door. You'll get a notification once your package is delivered and your garage is closed.
It's time to bring aromatherapy into the modern age. Introducing the Smart Diffuser by Sierra Modern Home. This heatless diffuser uses silent 360-degree ultrasonic waves to instantly vaporize water and oil molecules into the surrounding air. Moisten and purify air while relieving stress and promoting wellness for up to 12 hours. It can be used as a classic diffuser. Choose between various ambient lighting and strong or weak mist options with a simple press of a button. Or use it as a smart diffuser using the companion app. Connect the diffuser to your Wi-Fi network to enable all the intelligent features. Use the companion app on the go. Turn it on and off or control features like ambient lighting, mist intensity, and timer settings from anywhere in the world. You can create regular schedules in the app so you can get your diffuser to work at your desired times each day or on certain days and times that you designate. You can also use your voice to conveniently control your smart diffuser through Amazon Alexa or Google Home. The included quick start guides will help you easily connect the app to your smart assistants. Effortless and intelligent aromatherapy by Sierra Modern Home.
Introducing Philips Hue. Lighting that welcomes you home through geolocation. With Hue, you can control your lights from anywhere. Use your devices to set schedules and personalize your lighting, so even while you're away, it'll seem like you're home. Turn on your peace of mind. turn on living. Innovation and you. Philips.